Alright folks, let's talk about the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000, the 21-piece grooming powerhouse often hovering around $90 on. Built with stainless steel precision tools and a premium storage case, it instantly gives that "this is serious" vibe. What's cool? Smart Beard Sense Tech scans your beard 125 times per second, boosting power when tackling denser patches. Another standout? The precision trimming guard that lets you dial from 1 to 3 mm in 0.2 mm increments. That kind of accuracy is pretty rare in this price bracket, and these blades stay sharp without oiling. They're self-sharpening stainless steel. Humans, this saves time. Battery life is also top-notch, up to 6 hours per charge, and you get all the tools and the storage case to boot. People love how well organized it all is and how smooth the operation feels. It's one of those grab-and-go kits that lets you clean up your look in minutes. Honestly, if you want versatility, precision, and power in one package, this is a huge win. And yep, we share by links in description box, so check those out.